What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to have a technical analysis on STEEM here. This time we're going to be going over the BTC value here, not the dollar value. BTC value currently down almost 4% for the day, sitting at 30,500. For those of you that don't know what STEEM is, I'm going to tell you why you should hop on STEEM. But this is just my personal opinion on it. But STEAM is pretty much a blockchain-based rewards platform for publishers to basically monetize their content and grow a community. This is pretty much done through smart tokens, kind of like ECR20 tokens, but with the proof of brain property. So this is pretty much just encouraging people to create content and also curate content. So that's pretty cool. Though another cool thing about what I like about Steam, it's actually faster than Bitcoin and it's faster than Ethereum, and it has no fees. So that's also pretty cool. But really quick though, guys, before we run through Steam, let's go ahead and run through the cryptocurrency market here. Market cap sitting at 451 billion. Today's volume is 16.9 billion. Bitcoin dominance slowly gaining back up to 40.1. Bitcoin up 1%, sitting at 10,700. Ethereum up 0.5%, sitting at 870. Ripple down. Bitcoin Cash up almost 6%. Litecoin down almost 0.5%. Neo down 3%. Cardano down 5%. Lumen's down almost 2%. EOS down 2%. IOTA up 4%. Dash is down 0.5%. Monero's down or up 1%. Who are the big winners today? Let's see. Wow. Particle up 40. Golem up 15. Game Credits 15. Nano up 13. Tron up 8. 10x up almost 8. Smart Cash up almost 5. Funfair 3. VeChain 3. But really quick though, guys, let's go ahead and run through some price action. But really quick, before we do that, I say really quick a lot, I know. Market cap here for Steam, 76,490 Bitcoin, 817 million. Today's volume, 4.5 million, 426 Bitcoin. Circulating supply here, guys, 250 million. Total supply, 260 million. Major exchanges here, guys, are Upbit, Bittrex, Binance, Upbit again, Poloniex, they just got acquired by Circle, Open Ledger, and Hit BTC. So let's go ahead and look at some price action here, guys. Bitcoin's still kind of consolidating here, guys. I wouldn't add to your position until we get a break and close above 11,100 just to play it safe. Just to be really, really safe, I would wait till we get a close above 12,000. You could definitely tell momentum is definitely starting to shift towards the upside, though. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour shows us. Oh yeah, I would wait for a break and close above 11,075, and it looks like Bitcoin could be making a higher high. Momentum definitely looks like it's starting to shift towards the upside, as you can tell down here. Higher low here, higher high. This high beat this high. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum. Ethereum kind of behaving the same way here, just consolidating a little bit. I've been saying it would, so it's been, my analysis has been on point with Ethereum here, kind of consolidating here. I wouldn't add to your position, guys, till we get a break and close above about $900 here. Once we do get that break and close above 900, I do believe Ethereum should make a nice little bull run. You can definitely tell momentum has shifted towards the upside down here. Oops, sorry. Let's go ahead and look at Litecoin here. Litecoin was definitely consolidating on the daily as well. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour actually bounced off our minor support here at about $200. I said it was a great psychological support. It turned out to be a great price action support as well. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit. If we get a break and close above $210, guys, I would add to your Litecoin position if you're looking to add. I know I'll be adding to my position once we break and close above $210. Momentum has definitely started to shift towards the upside. Nice little bottom 1, bottom 2 here, so definitely expect Litecoin to gain some momentum and take off. But you guys came here for some Steam technical analysis. This is Steam Bitcoin weekly here, guys, on Bittrex. The platform I'm using is TradingView. So the reason I use the weekly is because so this is moving a little bit slower. It takes a little bit, in my personal opinion, for it to move, to gain momentum. Whereas if you compare it to the U.S. dollar, the percentages are almost double digits almost every day. I don't really see that in Bitcoin too much. So I decided to do it on the weekly here, guys. Nice little triangle forming, top 1, 2, bottom 1, bottom 2. What I'm expecting here from Steam, guys, is if we don't hold at this price, because you could tell on last week, we came down to this price, it kind of got rejected. It's still only Thursday, so we do have a couple of days here for us to actually be rejected from this price and bounce towards the upside. This was previous resistance, or I'm sorry, it was support before, didn't hold. We broke through. This was resistance before. It looked like we broke through and then rejected hardly. And then last time we were at this price here, guys, huge bounce towards the upside. And it almost came out of nowhere, so next week could be a bullish week. So depending on how next week plays out, we're going to have to wait and see. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily here, see what the daily shows us. So the daily shows us pretty strong downtrend, as you can tell. Top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 tops up there. And the reason this level might hold is, check it out, guys. Tons of wicks. 1, 2, 3 rejections, and then all this fun stuff. But we're gonna look at the recent price action here. This day here came all the way down to about 29,429 satoshis, and now it looks like we're slowly bouncing up. So what I'm expecting here from STEEM, guys, is we're gonna consolidate here for a bit, most likely, if we don't hold at this level. So we're either gonna just fall straight through, and I'm expecting us to come down to as low as 22,150 and then bounce towards the upside. Or what's going to happen is, if we are going to hold at this level, which I don't believe we will, because as you can tell, this is a pretty strong downtrend, and I am expecting Bitcoin to make a nice bull run and below 20,000 and below 50,000 as well. So, STEEM to Bitcoin could, possibly make a small retracement before we decide to take off. However, if we do decide to hold at this price here, guys, expect us to consolidate here for probably a couple of days, maybe 4 or 5 days, and then bounce towards the upside, kind of like what Ethereum's doing. However, I don't expect us to hold at this level. What I'm waiting for is to see this drop from about 30,000 all the way down to about 22,000, 22,500, 22,150, and then add to my position there. For those of you that don't know, I'm huge on STEEMit. STEEMit is going to be the social media platform of the future. It's already, slowly becoming that now. A bunch of major YouTubers and bloggers are all already jumping and coming over to STEEMit. So if you guys aren't on STEEMit, I definitely recommend you guys do. Exclusive content goes on STEEMit. You get monetized for, creating and curating everything you do. So I definitely recommend you guys hop on STEEMit if you're not on STEEMit. I post my videos on STEEMit before I post my videos on YouTube. So I definitely recommend STEEMit is the way to go. But where do I see STEEM going in 2018, guys, here? In 2018 here, guys? Sorry, my bad. I'm just waking up. I should have drank my Red Bull, but it's alright. I'm expecting STEEM to come up to 2018 all-time high here, guys, and be at about 91 to about 100,000 satoshis here in 2018. I don't expect this to happen, however, to the end of 2018. Hopefully there'll be I'm sure there will be, actually, a huge, much larger STEEM community, so that'll be very exciting. But if you guys aren't on STEEMit, make sure you guys hop on STEEMit. Exclusive content goes on there. Videos are uploaded there first. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to upvote, re-STEEM, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you're on YouTube, subscribe, turn on post notifications, new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.